Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today with my member Read Presentation Test Project, I will introduce my group from for com, group 4 from Computer Engineering for B. Our member consists of Muhammad Yasin, Muhammad Andra Surya Ramadan, and Valeri Dwaritama. Test project. Computer technology, a very important topic in information technology. The word computer derived derived from the English word computer, which means the calculator. At the beginning of computer technology, the primary purpose of the computer system was to provide calculation and computing solution for the problem. But in the current area, the primary use the computer technology is not just limited to the calculation only. Computer technology has ar- has achieved new limit, and we can see the use of computer technology in every field of life. Data processing and management of information has become the critical factor of computer technology. With the help of computer technology, we can store data and can access any information from anywhere. Today, computer technology has become the most advanced technology as compared to any other technology. We could have an internet facility just because of computer technology, and we all know the advantage of internet and how it has changed and improved our life. We can see the we can see the use of computer technology everywhere around us. If we are globally advanced today, it could happen just because of computer technology. In this blog, I will tell you about the area computer technology and impact of this technology in our daily life. You can go through our assessment help for detailed information on topic and assessment related to information technology, how computer technology changed our life. Technology has changed our life by providing a lot of freedom. We can access any information from anywhere. The most crucial thing which computer technology offers is the maximum use of the time. We can do many activities simultaneously. We invented and developed computer technology to change our life to its best now. This technology is updating every second and making our experience better. Computer technology help in multiple ways. Today, every field of growing very fast just because of computer technology. We can see the usage of computer technology in the software industry, entertainment industry, medical science, agriculture, education, and many more. Use of computer technology. As we can see, the role and contribution of computer technology in every field of our life is help us in many ways. It minimizes our effort and save the time. Here are some more use of computer technology are listed below. 1. Technology has changed education. We can see the advanced change in our education system. Now you can learn anything from anywhere with the help of computer technology. It has changed the way of education and learning methods. We can learn a lot from home without going to college and school. We can take online class and enroll ourselves for online course. We can resolve our que- queries related to the study and seek online assessment help for our academic. 2. Provides several ways of communication. Computer technology brings a lot communication facility. Today we have mobile internet, computer, video conferencing apps, and many more. With the help of such apps, we can communicate with anyone at any time. In the past, the communication between two was not accessible as it seems to, but with the help of computer technology, it has become easy and cheaper. Field based on computer technology. Here, here, here are three area who based on computer technology are given below: software industry, hardware industry, networking, database management. Boleh ya? Software industry. The whole software industry depends entirely on computer technology. Today, if we can see software industry as most growing and profitable industry, this could be possible just because of computer technology. Software combining make software application and contribution to development of computer technology. Today we have a lot application software program which provide a lot faci- facilities. Software industry not only contribute to advantage of computer technology but also take part in the development of the country also. What do software development companies do? The software development companies identify identify the need, design the program, and then performing testing to make it error free. These are the primary tasks which performed by software companies during the development of any software. Programming assessment help will help you in making your program assessment. Here are some tasks performed by software development companies are given below. They produce useful program. Software industry make the computer technology more advanced and robust. The primary function of the companies are to produce a software product which a collection of program that's, that does that that does something which may be very useful to each user of society. To provide digital solution, computer technology provide many tools that software companies use to solve problem. The entire process of digital solution involves gathering and analyzing the data and then using it as a solution. Web designing and development. Software company design and development website and application for a different type of operation system. Some software companies build corporate web-based systems to help increase productivity process and provide workflow management. Hardware. The existence the existence of computer technology ultimately depends on computer system, and this computer system consists of two main parts. One is software and another is hardware. Computer hardware include the physical tangible parts of component of computer such as the CPU, processing unit, monitor, keyboard, graphic card, motherboard, etc. These hardware components are an essential part of computer system, and they are updating the day by day, which makes computer technology more advanced and more secure.
Networking computer technology allows data transformation between one end to another end. This is a significant facility which provides the computer technology and it comes under networking. In a simple language, we can say computer networking is a network of transportation and exchanging data between the nodes. Networking is not only construction and use of a network, but also it is a management and maintenance of the network. Computer networking allows devices and endpoints to be connected on a local area network LAN, such as the Internet or a private wide provider. Designers and consumers worldwide to share resource, use or offer service and communicate. Networking facilitates everything from telephone calls to text messaging to streaming video to the Internet of Things (IoT). How LAN is used? Computer networking uses local area network to establish a connection between device and endpoint. Networking facility provides a communication bridge between several entities. A telephone call, text messaging, video streaming, email, data communication, etc. are the perfect example of computer networking. Types of networking. We can divide the computer networking into two parts. One is wired and another is wireless. Wireless networking ultimately works on radio waves to transport data over the air and allow devices to be connected to the network without any cable. Wi-Fi, hotspot, Bluetooth, cellular facility, all are the perfect example of wireless networking. Wired networking, a wired network uses wired configuration to establish a communication bridge between two or more entities. Mostly Ethernet cables are used to transport data between connected PCIs. Database management. As we all know, computer technology is nothing but a systematic way of managing data and information for achieving the desired goal. Formally, we can describe a set of related data and the way it's organized. Access and management of data in the computer system is the most important thing, and computer technology provides both facilities. Access of data usually provided by the database management system. In computer technology, user can access all the data in the database by using an integrated set of computer software. In computer technology, the use of a database management system is central to access the function which allow entry, storage, and update of the information. Relation of computer technology with information technology. Computer technology and information technology. Both are related to each other. Without computer technology, we cannot access any information, whereas without information technology, we cannot think about any product in computer and technology. Hence, we can say the growth of both technology depends. Information technology is all about the application of that technology to solve problem. It gives us freedom and facility to access any information, whereas computer technology is everything which we see as innovation in the field of that technology. In the world of technology, both the technology with her is computer technology or information technology. Both are correlate to each other. The development and the growth of both technologies depends on each other. We can we can understand this with a simple example. Suppose you have high-speed internet, but you don't have a computer or mobile to access it. In the end, you will realize that having a high-speed internet is waste without mobile or computer. In the same manner, we can say without high-speed internet, there will be no use of advanced gadgets. Now we can see how both the technology are interlinked and connected. Relation of computer technology and IT. Computer technology correlates with information technology and is used for the study of network, computer network, etc. It encompasses a developing list of different software programs and devices. It includes programming, networking, database design, and development to ensure that computer work correctly. Areas which are developing themselves with the help of computer technology. We have many areas which are getting advanced and developing themselves by using computer technology. We can see the use of computer technology in such areas. Here are some areas which are getting more advanced with the help of computer technology. In the medical sector, we can see the use of computer technology in the field of the pharmaceutical industry. Today we have a lot of advanced machines that work on advanced technical and calculate the com- complete of the human body and provide exact result and save human life.
Okay, I will continue the next presentation in the agriculture sector. Agriculture sector are using computer technology for increasing productivity and improving the knowledge about the crops and all. With the help of this technology, they can have better information about soil and environment, and they can improve then in production and cost. In the growth of the business, Today, when everything is globally connected, then why your business sold offline? With the help of computer technology, we can do our business online and can have more clients and profit. In the current era, making business online is not a big deal. Computer technologies have made it very easy. You need to have a website by which you can publish your business. Nowadays, online business and marketing both are growing very fast, and in due time, it will achieve new heights for sure. Future of computer technology. Today, we can see the growth of technology around us and is growing day by day. Based on this, we can predict the future of computer technology, and we can say the future of computer technology is very high. Today, everything is getting advanced and digitalized. Everything that we see around us now connected to the network, and we can access any information at any time. Today we have Microsoft, IBM, Apple likes companies which are doing a great job in the advancement of the technology. We have achieved a milestone in the field of technology. We, we have satellites for witness forecast, food delivering apps, shopping apps, traveling application, even a fully digital banking system. Everything is just a click away, and this all could be possible only because of computer technology. We can see the change in our society now. Everyone owns the power of the internet. They can access any information and use it for their benefit. Conclusion. As we can see the importance of computer technology, it is everywhere. All day starts and end with such technologies. In this current era, if we are connected with technology and to the world, this is all because of the revolution in computer technology. We can see that it has changed our view of seeing the world. Now, we are more globally connected and advanced. We have access to all information which we can use for development. Computer technologies makes our life easy and give us the freedom to improve our life. For more support of programming and Java related topics, do visit Java Assessment Help.
di kantor komputer, guru muda, terpantau, guru tua, guru gelap, terperkat, guru lom, tanpa terkontented, hijau muda, guru hijau, hijau tua, guru terkontented, hijau laut, guru terperkat, hijau kuning, guru terkontented, air hitam, tinta tertutup, abu-abu tua, tas terperkat, abu-abu pun, tas terperkat,